End of day. June 29th, 2021, after the gold rush from the prop desk trading room. Let's see here. The simple poll I'm looking at. Slightly green, bunch of people. Slightly red, a bunch of people. Nobody flat, nobody extremely. Okay, well, slightly is not bad. I'm one of the slightly ones because Tesla chipped away at me today. I've traded this thing for 3 straight days now, very aggressively. More so than I have in a long time. I sense that it is poised to make a big move, and I don't want to miss it, so I'm staying in it, which means selling in and out of it like crazy on the short side. And so right now I've got positions in July, August, and September, all listed in the open options trade channel. Feel free to take a look there. If you have any questions, don't feel free to DM me. Also, just put questions up in the main trading room. That's the best place to get questions answered, because if I'm not around or I'm not seeing it or I don't have time to deal with it, somebody else is going to see it and most likely have some input to give you. PDD Monster Day. We're in a almost 7%. That's a big move on any day for any stock. So we are in that trade as a put credit spread. Which is a high probability, low risk trade, which obviously means it goes slower than if you'd have been in a call debit spread. But nevertheless, we are now up 71 we're now 70% up on that trade, so you can feel free to close that whenever you want here. Tilray had a good start, then petered out. I've got some shorts that I'm closing this Friday, July 2nd, 20s. I've got the August 20 calls, which looks like they were down today. Yeah, down $41 per contract. Tesla, I already mentioned it. TTD, I substantially reduced my size on that today, so I only have longs January 2022, no shorts. Going to reopen that trade again. I'm not going to leave the size down on this for very long, because it's just too good of a growth opportunity for me and for everybody that wants to get into it. UPST, if it just stays right here till Friday, I can get out of the entire trade at about even money, up $10, down $20, something like that, but really close to even money, which is what I'm hoping for. And then I'm going to leave it alone. I studied that thing for a month and a half or a month plus, and came up with a trading plan, put it in place, and it just hasn't worked no matter what I do. It just, the ticker's not cooperating. I'll come revisit that when it's a true reversal, because it's not in a true reversal trend line right now. So that's my story on that. Airbnb traded down about $4 today. I've got shorts that are expiring this Friday on my long Januaries. How much are those worth now? Airbnb. So I opened those shorts at, they're 160 July 2nd, expiring this week. July 2nd, 160s. I took $160 credit in on them. They're worth $20 right now. So $140 credit per contract is there for me to pocket. Pelotar, where are we on Pelotar? Yeah, peak drying day in Pelotar, forget about it. Billy, so disappointed. One of my favorite tickers of 2020 has turned into my biggest and early 2021 has turned into my biggest disappointment of 2020. So, listen, if you, tomorrow's Wednesday, hump day. We're going into a long weekend coming up. So if you have ideas, if you have trades, if you want to talk about NVIDIA, some sort of index, a bond trade, anything that you're interested in, at lunch tomorrow, put your questions up here in the main trading room. What do we call this room anyway? We call this room the trading chat. So in the trading chat room, put your questions up here, and we'll go through them tomorrow at noon. Anything, any trade you want to talk about. It's like, I'm thinking this, I'm thinking that, this is why I'm thinking it. What do you think? Da 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 da. I'm I'm happy to do that for everybody tomorrow at noon. So it's a good way to break up what the middle of the day is, which is usually sort of sleeperish, right? So that's it for us. And so until the morning comes, right?
I'm gonna give you till the morning comes, till the morning comes.